Your CMO just gave 2 weeks notice, right before your biggest initiative of the year. I'm Kevin with Digital Authority Partners. If you think you can wait this out, let me tell you what happens next. Marketing teams without leadership don't just slow down, they fall apart. $1 million campaigns burn through budget with nothing to show for it. That big initiative you've been planning, it's going nowhere fast. Meanwhile, your best talent starts returning recruiter calls. A bad quarter happens fast, and it starts with an empty corner office. LifeMoves discovered this during their most critical fundraising season. Their CMO left without warning, right when they needed marketing leadership the most. Instead of watching their campaign collapse, they called us. 3 months later, they weren't just back on track. They'd shattered every fundraising record they had. Donors increased 494%. Average donations jumped 180%. 10 million impressions delivered 10.5x. Return on marketing spend, double the nonprofit benchmark. Why? LifeMoves didn't waste time with job postings and interviews. They brought in Kerry Postolov from Digital Authority Partners, someone who'd already transformed marketing at 12 other large nonprofits. They got senior leadership when they needed it. See, most CEOs treat interim leadership like a Band-Aid. Keep things running until the real CMO shows up. That's thinking too small. Our interim CMOs have launched products at Oracle's cloud division and scaled brands at P&G. They've driven explosive growth in enterprise software companies like Everbridge and Assured, and revolutionized marketing operations at Bella+Canvas, one of the largest B2B apparel companies in America. So when Unity Communications called us after their CMO quit, we knew exactly what to do. Our interim CMO rebuilt the entire go-to-market strategy. Revenue jumped 320%, and they hit the Forbes 5,000. That's the difference between a placeholder CMO and a transformational one. The search for a new chief marketing officer takes, on average, 4 to 6 months. Add another 3 months for them to get up to speed, and that's nearly a year of lost growth. Meanwhile, our interim CMOs are generating revenue from day one. In fact, they'll deliver more revenue in their first 90 days than you'll spend on their entire engagement. While you're scheduling first-round interviews, they've already identified why you're losing deals or revenue, fixed your broken attribution, and gotten marketing and sales actually talking to each other. Your new CMO inherits momentum, not a mess. How do we deliver those results? Focus. Our interim CMOs work with just 2 companies at a time, so you get the focused leadership your business needs during this critical transition. Your best employees are watching how you handle this transition. Show them you've got it covered. Call us at 888-846-5382 or visit digitalauthority.me to learn more about our fractional and interim services. Because that empty corner office isn't just missing an executive, it's killing your momentum. And in this market, momentum is everything.